Tired of going to your 9 to 5 every day of every week during the whole year, again and again? There are many companies as of today that are hiring remote workers in order to develop their businesses and be more efficient. If you're tired of living the rat race and want to reinvent yourself and benefit from the changing economy, this video is made for you. Hi, Matrix Money Maker here, and in today's video, we are talking about the best location independent hiring companies and the jobs that they offer. Make sure to subscribe and watch until the end because each job opportunity might be a chance for you to change your life. The first company we're talking about is Gannett. Gannett is a company focused on digital media and marketing solutions and based on subscription. Gannett is a really good company. They touch the lives of millions of people across the United States and are operating in 46 different states, which is basically everywhere in the US. They do so with their Pulitzer Prize winning content, consumer experiences, and advertiser products and services. Let us get into the job opportunities that they have. At Gannett, you can apply to be a customer retention specialist. A customer retention specialist at Gannett is the one who is charged to reach for people who are thinking about canceling their subscription. Your job will therefore be to find out why they are making this choice and to make them stay on the subscription. In fact, you might be expected to solve the concerns of the customers in order to keep them to continue to use the service. They pay for this more than $16 per hour, which is decent, and you can additionally get commissions. Furthermore, they have a $600 signing bonus, which is extremely good for a company that offers remote work. And you don't require any higher education diploma. You only need a high school diploma or GED. If you are a person who knows how to handle and deal with people on a regular basis, if you are a person who is good on the phone, this job is made for you. Go to their website and check out their offers. The second is CVS. CVS is one of the biggest pharma companies in the United States, and it is highly probable that you already know them and do not need me to introduce them. But for those who don't know, CVS provides health services such as COVID tests, medication, and you can even get basic groceries at their shops. So CVS is a really big business and company besides just the stores that you see everywhere around your neighborhood. At CVS, they are researching a health advocate. Your job as a health advocate at CVS will be to inspire and encourage innovative telephonic communications by conducting outreaches to their Medicare members, and you will be in the Healthy Outcomes team. The role of the health advocate is to facilitate the provider and member outreaches telephonically to ensure Medicare member receipt of important services to improve health outcomes. So if you like talking with people, just like the other job, this is a great opportunity, and besides, you are also helping people. You need to have good communication skills and be able to speak easily with others. Moreover, it is required that you have strong analytical skills and an eye for detail. You also need Windows-based application knowledge, so basically a high level of computer literacy and listening skills. Furthermore, there are lots of little skills that you need, so I invite you to go check the webpage and go through everything on your own as well. Finally, guys, you have the opportunity to benefit from $1,000 signing bonus, and you are paid between $17 and $27 on average, which is pretty decent. Another company that is hiring is 1A Auto. So 1A Auto is an e-commerce based company. The goal of the company is to send out auto parts of customers in order to help them repair their own cars. It is a good company because they are really into helping others. They help people repair their cars by themselves without the help of a professional. What makes this company worth checking out is that they offer a $1,500 signing bonus, which is really good. Their job offer is a customer service representative. As a customer service representative, you are directly in interaction with customers via email, and you are charged to resolve inquiries, recommend products, and process orders while maintaining a high standard of service and inquiries. So, if you have a strong ability to connect and deal with customers, this might be a great deal for you. Moreover, if you're comfortable with answering questions and you are passionate about cars, you will probably want to apply for that job. They only ask for a GED or high school diploma, 2 to 3 years of customer service experience, strong writing skills, and good knowledge of computers. The number 4 of this list is American Express. American Express is an American credit card service corporation. Now, they have a lot of job opportunities on their website, whether you want remote work or not. So I definitely recommend that you go and check it out on their website. The good thing about them is that since it is a big business company, they have a signing bonus going up to $2,000 and more. A good job opportunity there is travel consultant. As a travel consultant at American Express, you are expected to understand the customer's needs through consultation to deliver an innovative and extraordinary interaction. You will be expected to communicate new and existing product offerings and value propositions relevant to the card member. You could be delighting their premium card members with unforgettable travel experiences as well. Now, they have some work at home requirements, such as to locate an internet service provider who meets their connectivity requirements and arranging connections in advance of your class start date. So, if you're bumming on the internet connection of your neighbor, it is not going to make it. You also need a secure home office located at your confirmed address of residence, free from background noises and other distractions. Furthermore, candidates must reside in one of 47 states where they're currently hiring, which is all U.S. states except for Alaska, California, and Hawaii. To finish, they have a solid payment of $20 to $26.25 per hour for an entry position. The next company hiring is Tenet Health. Tenet Health is a big operation health solutions company. They're in charge and manage several hospitals and surgical centers all over the United States. Now, they're looking for a patient account representative, and they have a $1,500 signing bonus for full-time hires. As a patient account representative, you're responsible for working accounts and ensure they are resolved in a timely manner. So you are expected to have a solid understanding of the revenue cycle as it relates to the entire life of a patient account from creation to payment. You need basic computer skills to navigate through the various system applications. You're also expected to give clear and concise notes in the patient accounting system regarding claim status and any actions taken on an account, as you're going to be doing some collecting on unpaid balances. You do require a COVID vaccination as you're working for a health company, as well as a high school diploma or equivalent and 1 to 4 years of medical claims experience. Once again, I recommend that you go check their websites because they go more into details of what you are expected to do as a patient account representative. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos about how to make money, personal finance, investing, and much more. Check out the latest video about the best e-commerce platforms to start an online business. Take care.